And welcome back, rail fans. Welcome back to my channel. Miss Steve's Trains right here. We're down here in a great carpet floor layout. Today I got something special for you. Got a new engine. Oh, I can't wait. It's going to be a doozy. Probably going to ruffle some feathers. But, we're putting politics aside. We're just enjoying the joy and the beauty of running O-scale trains. Got a new engine. Just came in from... Hell, what the hell was it? Alice? MTH? God, I don't even know anymore. And then all the excitement, I forgot. Let's tune in. We'll check it out right now together. Miss Steve's Trains. All right, here we go. Once again, back on the great carpet layout. This is the great floor layout. This here is a brand spanking, just come in. Off the showroom floor. Well, let's see if we can't get this facing in the right direction. MTH, Maryland, love them purple boxes. Oh, they got the ribbons all kind of cocked up in here. Let's see. No, looks like it wants to come out this way. Oh, what do we got here? What do we got? I know what we got. You know what we got. It's going to be a fancy. Oh, slowly coming to life. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, look at that. Look at that, would you? I'm trying to do this all at the same time. Work the camera. Be the production man. It's not always easy. Yeah, but you pretty much guessed it. Making America great again. This is the brand new Fighting for You MTH Premier Presidential Engine of 2024. Carefully pull this stuff out without snarfing it up. This looks nice. This looks real nice. Oh, man. What do you guys think? I can try and hold this up and see the camera. 2024. Donald Trump. Nice blue wheel trucks on there. Gorgeous. Like it. Got some beautiful horns on there. Nice detailing on there. Beautiful presidential seal. Nice rail fans. Alright. Looks like we got some good looking crew figures in there. Got some sideburns. I love it. We're going to get this thing spun around. I love that presidential seal on the front. That is cool. Nice. Well, I can't stop saying that, right? I'm like, nice, it's nice. The other side, I'm sure it looks just like the first side. You got some dude up in there. Oh, he's wearing his red MAGA cap. Hey, think that's Donald? Is that supposed to be Donald up in there? Pretty cool. The Don himself. Can't really see him. Maybe we get the light on in there. All right. Well, let's get it on the rails, and let's see what this beast can do. And jumping right back into it, it is the MTH Premier ES44 AC diesel engine. This is the Donald J. Trump 2024 ESA 44 Proto Sound 3. Item number 2021935-1. check a reputable dealer if you're interested, and you can probably still find them. And there she is, rail fans. There she is. Let me get this camera down there. Let's check it out. We're going to first fire it up. Running lights. Let's check out the PFA.
We're going to win back our beautiful White House. We're going to win it back. We're going to win it back in record force. Everyone here tonight is part of the greatest political movement in the history of our country. You know, this is the greatest political movement. It's called Make America Great Again. On November 5th, we will save our country. We will save our economy. We will rescue our middle class. We will reclaim our sovereignty and restore our borders. We will put America first, and we will take back our country, and together we will make America powerful again. We will make America wealthy again. We will make America strong again, so strong. We will make America proud again. We will make America safe again. We will make America free again. And we will make America great again. God bless you all.
Down. Let's just back that bad boy up. What do you guys think? I think we need to put a little rolling stock on there. Beautiful, just beautiful. Hey, you know what I'm thinking? What this train needs? Lash up. This train definitely needs a lash up. What do you say? Without wasting more time, let's just get down to it. Lash up. Alright, rail fans, here we are. The yard's getting a little full. Alright, what do we got down there, Miss Steve? Well, let's take a look. Down there's our 2024 Rail King Trump caboose. And in the lineup, we will not be canceled. Wake up, America. Wake up. And then over here is one of my favorites. This is the Biden-Harris car. Democratic National Committee Convention, Detroit. Oh, look at that. If I can do it. I can do it. Get my hand in there. There's actually little ballots. They're all for Joe Biden. Ain't no ballots for Trump in there. That's where we got it locked up in the safe. Keep them safe. That's evidence. That's evidence right there. That's the Detroit election. That's Detroit for you. My hometown. Fun car. Just fun. Just have a little fun, folks. And the first time on the rails is the voltage. Track voltage. Because Trump is electrifying. Yeah, I just made that up. Alright. And this is what was this? Rail King double door boxcar, Trump 2024. This is the premier line. Let's go, Brandon. Can we get up around here? Here's Trump fighting for you. And then you see, quiet, you guys. That's the Trump Vance tanker. We've seen that. That's by RMT, Ready Made Trains. This is from Metka. These are the presidential tankers. I love those. They're beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful tankers. The road numbers are the tail numbers off of Air Force One, both the jets. That's why we got two. And then this is the Rail King and our lash up. Nice. And then we got the premier line, Trump 2024 diesel. And there we go, rail fans, there we go. That's the old Trump train 2024. That is our lash up. Took me a while to get that all together. A lot of special order, pre-order stuff just coming in. Still got about maybe another 4 cars that haven't shown up. Maybe by midsummer they'll come in there. Plus a new Lionel Trump track cleaning car. You can get that through well, you know, any one of your big vendors, I'm sure they'll have it. I don't want this to be too long, so leave it down in the comments. Leave me your thoughts, prayers. You loved it, you hated it. Burn it, just burn it. I'm sure we got a few of those out there. I just love to run trains, so down here in the great carpet floor layout, I'm Mr. Steve, and until next time, happy rails.